Hey Austin, it's Julie from Fairfield SEO. How you doing? I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your website today and some possible ways I might be able to help you. Right off the bat, I like the fact that you have your logo here with your name. It looks great. I'm not quite sure what's blurry behind there, so that takes that little bit out of a focus. You've got a description of your company. Really great picture. I love the masonry work there. You talk about your landscape services. Down here you give like a description. Although I feel like instead of these widgets, I think customers would like to see actual pictures of, say, a softscape. Just one picture. People are very visual and they'd want to see that. So now you're talking about your projects, and here's some pictures. Let's just take a look at any one of these pictures. Outdoor living area. Let's take a look. Great. I love the outdoor grill area, and there's a description. Perfect. People definitely want to see that. So you've got some awards here. You've got your staff. I think it would look nice if their face was showing instead of a picture of a plant or flowers. Where you serve, a great big map, and that's about it. But I actually want to talk to you about content. Google loves to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words worth of content, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place keywords all throughout your website to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. And pictures, I'd love to mention that pictures also count as keywords. So if I were to type in landscaping services of Fairfield, Connecticut, that would be telling Google exactly what I want. I want to find landscaping company in Fairfield, Connecticut. Google also has what's called crawlers. And what these crawlers do is they search for areas that you serve and what services you offer. What I want to do is I want to actually take you over to a paid program that I use called Ahrefs. I've plugged your website in here, and I want to talk to you about these numbers. So you've got your UR and your UR and your DR. And the UR is the trust rating with Google, and the DR is the power rating with Google. So this is what's going to get you up to the top of Google. And you want these numbers be between 30 and 40. You also have your backlinks of 191. And a backlink is anywhere you can find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people or website pointing at them. So let me explain that just really fast. So there are 80 websites piggybacking off of your backlinks. And that is how they are finding you. And you've got 72 keywords here. Let's just take a look really fast. So you've got 400 people per month searching for landscape architectural plans, 200 people per month searching for outdoor design Fairfield, 250 people per month architectural landscape design. You've got some great numbers. But I want to actually take you over to a website that is outranking. Freddy and Company. So he has his phone number right at the top. Now you can see it. And he's got pull downs right here, drop downs I should say, of all of his services, which make it really easy for a customer to come in and say, hey, I like this. I want walls and entrances. then they can just go there to that page. Really nice picture here. Nice shift in the pictures. A little description about how your home's landscaping should enhance the quality of your life for years to come. A quote from Freddy. I love this picture here. It's a great staff picture. Some dogs. They must have dogs working for them. And this is what is really great about, one of the great things about his site is that there's a picture of Freddy and a description. And he has that for, must be all of his staff. So if you were to call him or his staff, you could put a face to the voice. And I feel like that's pretty important. So if we click on down here, some more pictures, outdoor living, there are some portfolio pictures that are just going to pop up here. And so that's it. So he actually doesn't have a lot of text either, but I want to actually take you over to his numbers. So his UR and DR are pretty low too, and he only has 7 backlinks, but he's got 80 key words that he has sprinkled throughout his site to rank him higher on Google. So there are 200 people per month searching for landscaping Fairfield County, 100 people searching for landscaping companies in Connecticut, 400 people searching for pool installer Connecticut, and 2.1 thousand people searching for landscape companies. So I can imagine if you made a few fixes to your content, your backlinks, and your keywords, they were to come together, you could start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at and why this is so important. You would go straight to the top, and you would have a lot of traffic coming from these keywords. Now, Ahrefs is just a tool, so these numbers are based on Ahrefs' own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. So I'm not quite sure what your margins are, but I can imagine with a few of these little fixes, you could generate much more revenue that could be coming your way. And if you added many, many more keywords, you could use to generate more and more traffic and leads. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as the top of the page on Google, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is Julie, and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a great day.